How to select English language in Duolingo app, and can you even do that? That's what we will see in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up our app. And as you may know, Duolingo has different sections for different languages. So this is, for example, the section of the Arabic speakers. This is for the English speakers, etc. It has sections for French peoples, for Dutch peoples, and so on. Now, for some reason, the English speakers section does not have the English language as a learning material. As you can see, it has all of the languages right here, but it does not have English, while the other sections all have English in them. As you can see, this is the French section, it has the English. This is the Dutch section and it has English, and all of the other sections does have English. And I think that the reason for this is that Duolingo allow you to speak the foreign language, which are the other languages that you do not already speak. So I'm an Arabic person, and as you can see in this Arabic section, I don't have the Arabic language, and in the English section, you do not find the English language. And if we went, say, for example, to the um, Dutch section, you do not find the German language. And if you went to the French section, you do not find the French language. So I think that it allow you only to learn other languages that you do not already speak. However, if you want to learn English, there's a one solution that you can do, but it might not be convenient. You can select English from uh, another section, but as you can see, Duolingo here tells you that this will change the app interface to that specific section that you have chosen. So this will change the app interface to French because we have choose from the French section. If we choose from the Dutch section, it will turn the app interface to Dutch, which might not be so convenient. But unfortunately, this is the only thing that you can do as of right now. And if I find any other solution, I will make an update video, and maybe even Duolingo will make such an option in the future. Because I'm a native Arabic speaker. I speak also French and I speak English, and I would love to learn like English using English interface, not using like an Arabic, or even like in my phone and stuff. I have everything in English interface. So this might not be so convenient if I wanted to learn it like uh, in French. The app interface will be in French. That might not be suitable since I'm learning English, but it is what it is. Uh, so that was it for this video. That's how you can select English as a learning language in Duolingo, and unfortunately this is the only way to do so as of right now. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.